Wireless design cannot be left to chance. The wireless network needs to just work. You need the professionals at Hula Networks for all your wireless networking needs. In order to properly design a wireless network, you need to consider things like application usage, individual client throughput requirements, density versus coverage design, RF attenuation, co-channel and adjacent channel interference, user onboarding and security. Hula Networks wireless services professionals use industry-recognized tools and design methodologies to troubleshoot, design, or install any type of 802.11 wireless network. Industry-leading 3D design software is used to model both the RF characteristics of the space, as well as the wireless radios and antennas used to provide signal for each project. On-site measurements are taken to verify assumptions made in the modeling process are correct. Our team of licensed installation engineers will install the equipment to manufacturer specifications. With a post-installation survey, Hula Networks will guarantee that the design parameters of the project have been met. Now you have a wireless network. Wi-Fi is quickly becoming the most critical aspect of the networking infrastructure. Let Hula Networks provide you with the professional wireless engineering solutions you need to allow your business to succeed.